The 2025 Dodge Motorhome is here to completely redefine the way people travel on the road, blending the legendary toughness of Dodge engineering with the comfort of a luxury home on wheels. From the very first glance, this motorhome grabs attention with its bold and commanding exterior design. The front fascia carries Dodge's signature aggressive styling, featuring a wide grille with chrome accents, sleek LED headlights, and a muscular stance that makes it look more like a powerhouse SUV than a traditional motorhome. The body is sculpted with aerodynamic lines that not only enhance the aesthetics but also improve fuel efficiency, a rare quality in the motorhome segment. Large tinted panoramic windows add both style and function, giving passengers natural light during the day and privacy when needed. The side profile reveals an impressive length with chrome-trimmed running boards, power-operated side mirrors, and an electronically retractable awning that transforms into an outdoor living space with the touch of a button. At the rear, the LED taillights, power liftgate storage, and integrated towing capabilities highlight Dodge's commitment to utility as much as luxury. Step inside the 2025 Dodge Motorhome and it instantly feels like entering a high-end apartment. The interior is crafted with premium materials including leather seating, real wood accents, and brushed aluminum trim. Dodge has gone above and beyond to make sure comfort is prioritized. The driver and passenger seats are heated, ventilated, and power adjustable with memory functions, providing supreme comfort even during long road trips. The dashboard is dominated by a massive 15-inch infotainment screen paired with a digital driver's display, seamlessly integrating navigation, entertainment, and performance data. Voice command and AI-assisted controls make the cabin futuristic yet easy to use. Ambient lighting in multiple colors sets the mood at night while large windows ensure scenic views throughout the journey. Moving toward the living area, you'll find a spacious lounge with reclining leather sofas that can also convert into additional sleeping space. A retractable smart TV, premium surround sound system, and Wi-Fi connectivity make sure entertainment is never compromised, whether you're parked at a campsite or traveling cross-country. The kitchen area rivals what you would find in a modern apartment. It comes equipped with a full-size refrigerator, convection microwave, induction cooktop, deep stainless steel sink, and ample cabinetry for storage. Countertops are finished in durable yet stylish quartz, and smart storage solutions maximize every inch of space. Adjacent to the kitchen is a dining area with a foldable table and seating for four, designed for both casual meals and family gatherings. The bathroom in the 2025 Dodge Motorhome is designed for ultimate convenience, featuring a full shower with glass doors, modern vanity with backlit mirror, and eco-friendly flushing system. High water pressure, an instant hot water heater, and premium fixtures make it feel just like home. The master bedroom is a true highlight, offering a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, dual nightstands with wireless charging pads, personal climate controls, and plenty of closet space. Large windows with blackout shades ensure privacy and restfulness. Optional upgrades include a skylight above the bed, giving you a stunning view of the stars at night. Performance-wise, Dodge has equipped this motorhome with serious power. Under the hood lies a robust 6.4-liter HEMI V8 engine producing over 400 horsepower, giving it enough muscle to handle highways, mountains, and towing duties with ease. For those who prefer efficiency, Dodge also offers a hybrid powertrain option that combines a smaller V8 with electric assist, providing improved fuel economy without sacrificing capability. The transmission is an advanced 8-speed automatic with smooth shifts and adaptive drive modes for various terrains. The chassis is reinforced for stability while suspension tuning ensures a comfortable ride even on uneven roads. Advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system ensure safety and ease of driving, which is crucial when handling a vehicle of this size. The Dodge Motorhome also features solar panel integration and an advanced battery system, allowing for off-grid adventures without worrying about power. Smart energy management lets you monitor and optimize consumption directly from the infotainment system or your smartphone. With Dodge's focus on both strength and efficiency, this motorhome offers the perfect blend of performance and sustainability. As for pricing, the 2025 Dodge Motorhome starts at around $180,000 for the base model, which already comes well equipped with most luxury features. Higher trims with full customization, hybrid powertrain, and additional luxury packages can push the price closer to $230,000. Considering the engineering, comfort, and technology packed inside, it represents strong value in the premium motorhome market. The 2025 Dodge Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It is a statement of freedom, luxury, and capability. It is designed for families, adventurers, and travelers who don't want to compromise on comfort while exploring the open road. With its bold design, refined interior, powerful performance, and smart pricing, it firmly establishes itself as one of the top motorhomes to watch in 2025 and beyond.